Hi and welcome to Penser Bank and our analyst presentation on Tempest Security. My name is Markus Almerud and I'm an analyst here at the bank. So Tempest Security is the third largest guarding company in Sweden and the largest private personal protection company after the police and the military. We have a fair value range of 55 to 57 Swedish krona and the share is at 17. So we're here today to follow up after its Q3 earnings a couple of weeks back. I think there are two important trends to touch upon following the quarter. Starting with sales. So sales continued to grow in the quarter, 29% growth, which was driven by acquisitions and good growth in risk solutions. This is the business area which is focused on personal protection. Annualized sales were at around 400 million krona in the quarter, and I would say that the pace towards the targeted 1 billion is relatively stable. EBITDA continued to recover after the pandemic, and the annualized margin has clearly turned a corner. Overtime costs weighed on security services margin, but risk solutions saw significant expansion, and the US and Denmark has taken off. And this is positive because the expansion in the US has taken a bit longer than we had expected. Now the margin target is at 10%, the annualized level is at about half that. So how to reach this target? Well, it's about mix. So risk solutions is currently at around 30% of the business, but the target is to grow this to 50%. And this will drive the margin as the margin in risk solutions is clearly higher than it is for security services. So the expansion in the US and acquisitions are critical parts of this, and this is why the takeoff in the US is so important. When it comes to acquisitions, there have been fewer than I might have hoped for, but this is how it is with acquisitions. So the conversations with potential targets does not seem to have slowed down. So I'm quite confident that we will see further acquisitions in the near future. So in summary, sales keep growing and the margin seems to have turned a corner. The 12-month forward EPS keeps rising and the share has come down. Now the correlation between these two is very strong over time, and I think that one of them will have to give in, and I think that will be the share price. Thank you.